All right, guys, here we go. 1920 SP Game Used 10 box break. Case break number 1 AA. Let's roll through the team owners over here. Anaheim, we got Penzito. Arizona, we got J Dog. Boston, Full Nelson. Buffalo, Midu Hidu. Calgary Shell. Carolina, Duke. You think I'm stupid, Duke? Nobody must find out about Mother. We got Chicago, Ian. Colorado, JB. Columbus, we got Jen, and which is another JB. Dallas, GT2, aka the original Gare Bear number 1. Edmonton, JTAC. Florida, London. Kings, RBC. Minnesota, London. Montreal, Ty's brother, Sagan. Devils, Brain Damage. Nashville, Zack Attack. Isle Shell. Range, Ed the Collector. We got Ottawa, JB, AK Jen. Fly, we got Merv. Pitt, Matty C. Sharks, JB. Jen, JB. Blues, we got Therm. Tampa Bay going to Jarek. Toronto, Tano. Couve going to JKK, Jimmy Dean Sausage. Capitals, Kentaro Sato. We got Winnipeg, Craig P. And Vegas is Sheldon. Bo, you know the rest. Belden. At least I think you know the rest. You might not. All right, so we'll turn this bad boy like this, like that. We'll go number 1, number 2. All right, so it'll be 1, 2, 3, number 1, 4, 5, 6, number 20. Here we go. So number 20. You just write SPGU on here. And this is box 1. There we go for tomorrow. Box 1. All right, guys, here we go. Oh, there we go. Good luck, everybody. So for those that might be live right now, there's updates happening on the laptop over there to my right. So as soon as it's done updating, I'll be able to see the chat. But until then, I'm going to use this base card right here as a whatchamacallits. Good luck, everybody. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it, y'all. Here we go. We got Brock the Beast Besser, number to 275 for the Couve. Koovski. We got Dominic Kubalik, number to 295. Rookie, CHI. And I thought this was JH, but we got SP Game Muse, Draft Day Marks, Jesper Boquist, NJD, number to 35, of course. Thought it was Jack Attack, but hey, we'll take it. It's better than no Draft Day Marks at all. Then we got a Tools of the Game, number to 50 for Winnipeg, Blake Wheeler. I'll probably hook up that other camera here when this break is done, guys. It's already plugged in. I just got to put it on this tripod. And we got Clayton Keller, Helen Keller's great-great-great-grandson. Thank God for laser eye surgery, or he probably would have been in pretty bad shape. And we got Alexander Texier, 199 rookie sweaters, CBJ. You down with CBJ? All right, box one. Down the tubes. We are live on YouTube as well. If anybody's on YouTube, how you guys doing? I know Ray. I think it's Ray gets in there. Ken. Good luck. Here we go. Box two. Rookie number to 114 for CBJ. We got Elvis. Good old L. And we got Connor Hellebuck. Jets. Jets are on fire. What's going on with the Jets? Number to 275 on Hellebuck, by the way. And another one. 5 out of 15. This guy's killing it this year. At least he was. Mark Scheifele. Jets. Scheifele's no joke, man. This guy don't mess around. He definitely doesn't play tiddlywinks. Who's got Winnipeg? Wow, Craig P. We got a banner year. Shabbat, Ottawa. All-Star banner. Very cool. All-Star banner. And we got a dual jersey. Showcase standouts. Brady Shea. Is Brady still with the... Oh, yeah, the Range. I thought maybe it was just an All-Star logo. So, my bad. And Brady Keeper, $5.99. No one will ever trade this guy, ever. This guy will never get traded. He'll be on Florida for life. There's no way they'd let that guy go. It ain't happening. right, the sleeves I got have a little bit of a crink in them, so I want to, like some of the ones on the top, just wanted to exchange them. As soon as I got down to like the next one, it kind of seemed like it went down, so. All right, just put the password into the laptop. Three updates in 3 days. Buy this laptop, guaranteed to update every day. And it only is an hour per update. We got number 275, Dylan Strome for the Blackhawks. CHI. We got Josh Jacobs, authentic rookie, 114 for the Devs. Oh, sick. For the Blues, we got it number 3 out of 5, STL Brett Hull, baby. Nice. Premium materials. Gotta love it. Very nice. That's a beauty right there. STL going out to Therm. And we got a little bit of Locker Essentials jersey here. Connor McDavid. Miggity Mac Daddy right there. And we got All-Star Skills Fabrics. We got Claude Giroux for the Fly. Boy, Travis Konechny, man. Woo. All right, guys, I can see you in the chat now. There we go. Got you guys back. Brayden Point, Tampa Bay, jersey. Add the collector, brain damage. At least I can see who's written in the chat. Not necessarily who's in the right-hand corner, since it's a little too small. Miniature Break Fest this weekend. Duke! You think I'm stupid, Duke? Boy, I bet when people hear that, they're like, what? What is he talking about? What a weirdo, man. We got 295, Sam Lafferty. They say that even without the comments. Oh, we got, I thought maybe it was a true rookie. 299, rookie Quinn Hughes for the Canucks. And we got a rookie auto. Alexander Texier, CBJ, rookie auto, very nice for Columbus. And we got a Frameworks jersey, Pat LaFontaine, NYI. I mean, it's not Hosang, but we'll take it. Who has NYI? Oh, Sheldon. And we got Nashville, Roman Yossi. He was killing it this year. And Jesper Boquist, $5.99 rookie jersey, NJD. Well, let's hope the season continues anyway. But if they just freeze it and go, okay, wherever the standings were is who's in the playoffs right now. Wait a minute. What about the Coyotes? I wonder how that would work. All right, number to 275, Jack Eichel, Buffalo. Eichel's pimping it too. Fantastic this year. Mark Friedman, rookie for the Fly, number to 295. There we go. Max Fried's brother. Uh-oh. Oh, this is sick. This is sick. Jordan Bennington, neck cord for the Blues. Stanley Cup final number to 25. Nice. STL. I think that's Therm as well. I think they were mispriced too. $5.99 jersey, Philip Zadina. I think STL got mispriced on accident. Could be wrong. And we got Dylan Locker. I almost said Larkin Essentials. Locker Essentials. Carson Kuhlman, rookie jersey. Boston Brewski. And next one. Now we got ETC in the house. But it's not fully complete unless ETC and Kaput are in the same gathering at the same time. Austin Matthews, number to 275, TOR. Mackenzie McEachern, number to 112, STL again. And we got a nice patch. Rookie patch auto 15 out of 15. Rudolph Balcers. Bale would be B-A-I. Sorry, Rudolph, for butchering your name. 15 of 15. And we got a rookie jersey, $5.99. Definitely hitting Pimp Daddy status already. Victor Olofsson. He has ulcers. Rudolph ulcers. Avalanche, Mikko Rantanen. Been injured a few too many times this year. Stay healthy, Miko. Stay healthy. Barzy, Jersey, Isles. Fastest man in the game. I don't think people were expecting him to beat McDavid and everybody. He even beat Connor's old time, I believe. You guys remember the time when I beat Gartner's? Was it Gartner's score that I beat Penzito? When I made that video of me skating? That's right. Beat Gartner's time that one time. And we got 275 Leon Draisaitl. Yeah, and then I made the video. I was like, I'm going to beat his record. I was only joking, and then I beat it. Here we go. First true rookie. Number to the jersey out of 37, Sam Lafferty, Pittsburgh. There you go. True rookie, Matty C. To 37. Authentic rookie auto, Nico Sturm. For the Minnesota Wild. And we got a nice banner. Oh, it's a nice banner. Winter Classic banner. Zdeno Chara for Boston. Wow. I know, the kitchen table. Remember that? Thank you, MK. Appreciate it, man. This is a hot card. I love this. You don't see very many Zdeno Chara cards, you know? Yeah, I remember the kitchen table, the granite countertop. Claude Giroux, skills competition, number to 125, Giroux. You were there back in that day. It's a long time ago. Very first break, I didn't know how to upload the video. I only had an iPhone. I was up for like 18 hours straight. Jordan Bennington for the Blues was in full panic mode. Full on panic mode. This is my first break. They're going to think I'm some dirtbag. I got to figure this out. God, please help me. Could never upload the video, by the way. Did never figure it out. Accidentally deleted it. So, if anybody remembers that one, I know Stamir does, my Milkman. Because we had the whole master case broken, I ended up making a secondary video of that break and then refunding everybody and then also giving them all the hits. And we got Josh Brown, number to 113, Florida. Didn't know what else to do. That was Zenith. I think it was Zenith. Yeah, it was Zenith. Braden Point, number to 275, BP. So it wasn't Cup or anything, thankfully. And we got draft day marks, number to 35 for the Canes, Martin Necas. Big Martin, there we go. Nice Martin Necas there. And we got a Cale Makar rookie jersey, $5.99. His kid's awesome, man. So good. I wish the Coyotes had Cale. What a kid, man. And Mr. Keith Yandel. Mr. Defense. Boy, he was on a roll too, Gandalf, and then he just kind of went to the wayside a little bit. I think this still might be no. I thought he was on track maybe to have the best year he ever had point wise. Nico Sturm, rookie jersey, going out to Minnie. Canes, there you go, Duke. Oops. All right, guys, here we go. We got William Karlsson, number to 275, LV. Mikko Rantanen. Going to, obviously, COL. And we got a Fatty All-Star Skills competition, number to 15, Henrik Lundqvist. Definitely wasn't this year's All-Star game. What's going on with Mr. Lundqvist, you guys? What's happening with him? Austin Matthews, All-Star Weekend jersey. Gosh, I wanted to see Austin get the number 1 in goals, man. Retirement time. And goaltender, we got Mr. Johnny Gibson, Anaheim, All-Star jersey. Libor Hayek jersey rookie sweaters for the New York Range. And I'm just going to use this little box. We'll use little top loaders here as a stand. I don't want to pick them up off the table. All right, we need some mojo here. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. We got Nikolai Prokhorkin, rookie 293. Oh, yeah, Lafferty, true rookie, man. Nice little parallel for the Sharks. That is numbered to the jersey out of 88, Bernsey. And Libor Hayek, authentic rookie jersey for the New York Range. Nice little auto for the Range. Rookie Showcase standouts, Dylan Larkin, Red Wings. Little dual jersey standout. And we got Zach Aston Reese, Stadium Series Fabrics, going to the pit. It's going to Maddie C. And last card, rookie jersey, $5.99, Rasmus Sandin. Not the most exciting case, guys. I mean, I don't think so. So hopefully that means the second half is going to be off the chain. It makes up for it. So let's hope that's the dealio, the situation there. And then these, I use the little stand. Yeah, so multiple breaks in the store, guys. That's it for SBGU. Having the other half tomorrow. And we got quite a few breaks listed. A little bit of a break fest. We have 8 breaks up for tonight. 7 more to go. All right, guys, I appreciate it. Thank you, everybody. We'll get this uploaded. And sorry for those who might have bad break. Hopefully make it up for you here in the next one. And thank you, guys. Not sure if those are 75s, 55s.